Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Snapchat device ban. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the App Store or Play Store on your mobile device and search for Snapchat. Now make sure that the app is updated to the latest version available and update it if it isn't. After that, open the Settings app and search for VPN. You can either search for it or just locate it manually. Once you get to the VPN tab, make sure that it is disabled as it may make you appear in different locations. Once you are done, close the Settings app and open any type of preferred browser. Now search for Snapchat support and give it a go. Open the first website. You will find many options here for different purposes. Once you are in the website, tap on My Account is Compromised Embed. Here, select I can't access my account at the top and then choose My Account is locked from the bottom section. You can see that a paragraph containing procedure to solve this problem is being displayed. Simply tap on the account site embed and you will be asked to sign into your Snapchat account. Once you have signed in, you will be able to select the Unlock My Account feature from this list. Since my account has been unlocked, this option is not being displayed, but in your case, it will be in this menu. So that's how you can fix Snapchat device ban. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.